little ponies can do big things.
Hello, I'm Mr. Conductor, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, folks far apart, and the magic railroad that brought them together. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our #1 hero.
Hello.
This place is the island of Sodor where Thomas and his friends live. It's at one end of my special universe.
Hello, Edward.
Hello, Thomas.
I like helping out here. By the invitation of Sir Topham Hatt, of course.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Who do we appreciate? Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed, Head of the Railway, Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a needed holiday.
Oh, I think we can take care of ourselves.
Get out of my way!
Oh!
I have unfinished business here and I want to finish it fast!
Diesel 10's back! Oh!
Yes, 10 out of 10 for DVCs and brutal strength. The blast from the past who hates steam engines.
Maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all, On time, oh.
At the other end of my universe, far away across oceans of time, up and over Muffle Mountain and hidden deep in a valley, is my hometown, Shining Time.
Every now and then there appears a sign that takes us round the bend to a place you'll find covered in clover. The magic comes over you, showing up right on time. This is your shining time. Climbing through the stars to your own black night. Sunstrokes of lightning paint the skies as brightly upon your shining time.
And by the way, I think you're gonna help me and Thomas somewhere in this story.
If Diesel has unfinished business, there's sure to be trouble right around the corner.
Santa fly, bear fly, shoe fly, that's it. Better still, buzz off.
Botheration!
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red. I was naughty as Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I could be really useful. Then it could come out again.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt says the harder we work, the less we'll need diesels to help.
Help you? You'll always need help, because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Aren't.
Are? Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine. I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you. And then you'll be nothing but useless scrap. Right, Pinchy?
Big bully.
We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm off to fetch him now.
What lost engine?
There, Mud. Paint job's finished. I'm going to show you Tomy is the best welcome it's done in any town in our valley. Well, I'm glad you agree. But he's about sure help a lot. He's on his way back now, is he? We hear that train whistle sooner to hear it itself.
Fine work, Patch.
Thanks. Oh, I'm looking at your map. What is the mysterious shining line showing on it? It looks like straight railroad tracks, but I can't see any tracks around here except the ones you traveled on.
It's mysteries that make this land so...
Magical? Well, I'll be off to Muffle Mountain. I promised Mr. Stone he'll claim his journal today.
Does Burnett Stone ever give you a smile?
No, he doesn't frighten my horse either. Which reason I don't think he's a madman. I think he was just sad.
I didn't know that in Muffle Mountain there was a secret that Burnett had shared only with his childhood friend, Tasha.
One day, Tasha, I'm going to drive this engine, and I'll take you with me.
Promise you will, Burnett. Promise.
I promise.
This engine was vital to the secrets that held these worlds together, but only Burnett knew that.
Hello, Shining Time Station, Manager Stacy Jones speaking. Oh yes, the 2:15 from Pelican Falls to Shining Time is right on schedule. You're welcome. The 10 o'clock to Lucy's Leap is leaving now. Oh, Billy, I found this child's drawing in an old locker in the Lost and Found. Look at the signature, Billy. Burnett Stone. It's hard to believe that Burnett could have ever looked that happy.
Oh, Burnett had a wonderful smile. And he loved railroading, too.
How'd you find me here?
I found an entrance to your workshop ages ago, but I would never tell anyone.
See that switch on the wall? Flip it on.
I guess there was something serious about this mountain.
Yeah. All mountains have their secrets, Patch. You know it shouldn't surprise a kid like you.
Can I help, Mr. Stone?
Sure. You can help me dust her off. This engine's name is Lady.
Why is she locked up?
She isn't. She's safe from harm. Long ago, I made a mistake as Lady's caretaker. An evil diesel found Lady and threatened to destroy her. He chased her. I made her use up all her coal. I made her go too fast. And he crashed her. So I brought her here. I tried my best to fix her up. But I've never been able to make up for the mistake I made. And I've never been able to bring her to life. To make her steam. But Patch, she's as precious as gold.
Pinchy, you captured the real me. I mean, that's beautiful. I could cry.
Boss, yeah, we're here.
All right, listen, you two. I got a job for you, Splodge.
Actually, it's a splatter. Yeah, Dad.
I ain't got time to say both names. I've come back to find a steam engine.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah, they're everywhere.
Not the one I want. She escaped me once before. As long as she exists, so do the others. But if she can be destroyed...
Destroyed? Did you say destroyed? D-word, like hurt?
Yeah, destroyed.
There's one small problem there, boss. Yeah, Mr. Conductor's coming and he will let you destroy. Yeah, he won't let you know.
I can do whatever I want. I'll get him too, with Pinchy. Ouch, Pinchy! I hate it when you do that.